Dear students, in the last video we have discussed about the present continuous. Okay, it's negative yes no WH. If you have not watched, you can go to the playlist sections and watch part 1, part 2 and also part 3. Okay, so here in this video we will discuss about if the reported clause is given in the present perfect, then which tense should be followed here. Okay, so here present perfect will change into past perfect here. Okay, the present perfect will change into past perfect. So here first we will start with affirmative. So you know the structure of affirmative is subject plus has or have plus V3 plus other. Okay, so what will change in the indirect speech? Subject just we have to change has have into had. Okay, then V3 plus other. So here just look at this example. I said. Okay, so you know this is reporting verb is in already past tense. So here this is reported clause. Okay, this is reported clause and the reported clause is given in the present perfect. Okay, so here present perfect will change into past perfect. Okay, so we will use here had. So I told that I had done my homework. Okay, I had done. So here this is past perfect. Okay, present perfect changed into past perfect. Then another example here. He said I have finished. I have finished. Okay, my homework. So he told that. Okay, so you know here pronoun will be changed. You know here I refer to he. So he told that he had finished his homework. So here my will change into his. Okay, so here this is past perfect had finished. Okay, then next another example here. Sital said I have passed the exam. Okay, so here this is present perfect will change into past perfect. She had passed the exam. Sital told that she had passed the exam. Next example here. She said we have eaten all the mangoes. She told that. Okay, so you know here we will change into they. They had eaten. So this is present perfect will change into past perfect had eaten. Clear? So this is all about affirmative. Then next come to negative. So we will add only just not here. Okay, only not. As like same procedure will be followed as like in the affirmative. Okay, so here subject plus has or have. If you know this is the structure of present perfect. Okay, negative. C subject plus has or have plus not plus V3 plus other. So what will change in indirect speech? Subject plus had plus not plus V3 plus other. So here just look at this example. They said we have. Okay, they said we have not submitted our project. They told that they had not. So here this is present perfect. Okay, negative. So here just here this is changed into past perfect had not submitted. So here our is changed there. Okay, then next yes no. Okay, so here interrogative part 1 yes no. So you know the structure of yes no of present perfect is has have plus subject plus V3 plus other. So what will change in the indirect speech? Okay, so if or whether you can add if or whether plus subject plus had plus V3. Okay, so just look at this example here. She said to me, have you read this book? She said to me. She asked me. Okay, so you know in interrogative yes no we just change said. This is reporting verb change into asked. Or you can write wanted to know. Okay, you can also add wanted to know. She asked me. Okay, have you read this book? So you know this is yes no question. Which tense? Present perfect. So this will change into past perfect. Okay, she asked me if or whether I had read that book. So suppose take another example here. He said to me, have you joined the party? Okay, have you joined the party? Okay, so you know this is direct speech. So here you know if there are two answers are given like he asked. Okay, he asked me if. Okay, if I had. Okay, if I had joined the party. Okay, then another he asked. Okay, he asked me. Okay, whether Okay, whether. So which option will be correct? Here both will be correct. He asked me if I had joined the party. He asked me whether I had joined the party. Here two options will be correct. Clear? Then another example. The gardener said to the boy, "Have you plucked this flower?" The gardener asked, or you can also write here, the gardener wanted to know from the boy. Okay, or you can write, the gardener asked the boy if or whether. Okay, if or whether he had. Here you know, you means the boy. Okay, if he had plucked that flower. Here this will be changed into that. Okay, clear? Okay, then next WH question. So you know, type 1 here WH word is used as subject. Okay, so here the structure, you know, WH word has or have plus V3 plus other. So what will change in the indirect speech? WH word just. Okay, so here has, have will change into had, and these remain same. So take an example here. The teacher asked, "Who has made this mistake?" Okay, who has made this mistake? The teacher wanted to know. Okay, the teacher wanted to know who had. Okay, so here has will change into had. Okay, who had made that mistake? So this will change into that. Clear? Then another example here. The boy said to me, "Who has stolen my purse?" So here the boy asked, okay, or wanted to know from me. Okay, who had stolen his purse? His purse. So here my will change into his. Clear? Has will change into had. Then next another example. His friend asked him, "Who has called me a liar?" So here his friend wanted to know who had. So here has will change into had. Okay, who has called him? So here pronoun. So me will change into him. Clear? Then next type 2 WH word as object. So you know, the structure is in direct speech WH word plus has or have plus subject plus V3 plus other. So what will change in indirect speech? WH word. Okay, subject plus had plus V3 plus other. So here just take an example. I said, okay, I said to him, "What have you bought for me?" I wanted to know, or I asked him, okay, what. So here you know, subject is him, means here you means him, that means he will used here. What he had, you know, have will change into had. But, okay, but for me means here me. Okay, I said to him what he had bought for me. Clear? Then another example. Rohan said, "What have I said?" Okay, Rohan said, "What have I said?" Rohan asked or wanted to know. Here you know, I means refer to Rohan. So here I will change into he. What he had said. Okay, so here have will change into had. As we are talking about present perfect, will change into past perfect. Then next another example here. I asked my mother, "What has she cooked for me?" Okay, I asked my mother, "What has she cooked for me?" So I wanted to write. You can also write I asked or I wanted to know from my mother. Okay, so what. So here you know, subject means what has she. Okay, so here she will remain same. She had cooked. So here has will change into had cooked for me. Clear? I wanted to know from my mother what she had cooked for me. Then next example. The old man asked, "Whom have you invited for your birthday?" Whom have you? So here the old man wanted to know whom he had or she had invited. Okay, for his or her birthday. Clear? Then next type 3 WH word is used as like adverb. So you know, WH word plus has or have plus subject plus V3. Type 3 is just like the example of okay, type 2. Okay, type 3 is just like similar type 2. So here the doctor said, "When have you checked your health?" The doctor asked him when he had. Okay, when he had. So here you know, WH word plus subject plus here you know this is past perfect, here present perfect change into past perfect. Check your okay his health. The next example, the teacher said to Rohan, have you done okay, how have you done this work? The teacher wanted to know how he had done that work. Clear? So here WH word, okay. So you know you have to write in small letter, okay, don't use capital. Then he had, okay, he had done that work, so this will change into that. Here present perfect is changed into past perfect, he had done. Then next type 4, you know the indirect speech, auxiliary verb plus subject. In indirect speech it will change into subject plus auxiliary verb. So here like she said, where have you lived? Okay, she asked where. So here you know auxiliary verb plus subject. So what changes here? Subject plus auxiliary verb. Okay. Clear? Then next type 5, WH word plus noun. So this is the structure of direct speech. You know WH word plus noun plus has or have plus V3. So here what will change in indirect speech? WH word, noun, subject, had plus V3. Okay. So just look at this example. The stranger asked, which book have you bought? Okay, which book? So you know here WH word plus noun. Okay. The stranger wanted to know which book. So here you know this is WH word, this is noun plus subject. Just look at the structure here, subject. So here noun, okay, noun is book, subject is I. Okay, so you know this is past perfect, what I had bought. Clear? Then next example 2, my mother said to me, which novel have you read? Okay, my mother asked me which novel. So here WH word plus noun, subject, here past perfect. Clear? Which novel I had read. Okay, so this is all about present perfect. If the reported verb is in the present perfect, then the present perfect will change into past perfect. Okay, so if you have not watched part 1, part 2, part 3, then you can watch this, go to the playlist sections and you can easily watch them. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about simple past. Okay, simple past, yes, no, WH, negative. Okay, so if you find any doubt you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.